Welcome to JD Build Edit, your destination for creative home design ideas and inspiring interior transformations. Your room's wall is not just an empty space, it's an opportunity to express your personality and style. A geometric wall design doesn't just decorate the wall, it enhances the room's ambiance, mood, and the play of light and shadow, elevating the overall beauty of your space. Lines, triangles, circles, or hexagonal patterns can be combined to create an artistic and modern look. These types of designs perfectly complement minimalist or contemporary interiors. Geometric patterns can be applied to one section of the wall or cover the entire wall. Living rooms, dining areas, or home offices often look most stunning with such a feature wall. It makes the room feel larger, brighter, and more modern. You can focus on a single wall in a room to create a strong visual focal point. In larger spaces, applying similar patterns on two or more walls adds cohesion and creativity to the room. For the best effect, consider using bold or vibrant geometric shapes on a light-toned background. This way, the play of light and shadow becomes more pronounced and visually striking. So, it's not just a wall. You can transform your entire room with geometric design. Turn your wall into a living piece of art that inspires you every day and adds a fresh, elevated dimension to your space. If you enjoyed this idea and want to see more creative wall design inspirations, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to JD Build Edit for more inspiring home design tips and ideas.